Rain or shine, the show will go on. Welcome to the channel. Well, today we are at the 2026 Mountaineer Mud Bog Spring Mud Bog, and this is put on up here in Mountaineer, PA. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we drop videos of different events like this. But this is the first event that I'm out to for our 2026 show season, which I don't have a mud truck, but I do have show trucks, so I go into the show season with the show trucks, and I do like mud bogs, so we come out here to this mud bog, which is a very cool one, an awesome one, and a fast one, to check this one out. But behind me is the mud pit, and before I get into showing you guys the mud pit and some of the behind the scenes on what goes on before the racing action, if you are new to the channel, if we didn't win your subscription in this video, well, maybe in the next one we will. And I'd like to bring a discount code out to you. If you guys go to skyjacker.com and use discount code wicked_Fabz10 at checkout on their website, you guys could save a little bit of money on shocks, lift kits, leveling kits, coilovers, suspension components, and things like that. So I'm happy to be able to bring all that out to you guys. So what do you say we take a walk around? I'll show you a little bit of the pit. The pit is behind me, and they run this rain or shine. It doesn't matter because it's a mud bog, and the exit is down at this end, which I will be standing underneath there, which I'm very pleased that and grateful that they were able to get a tent for me to set up in case it does start raining, so I could bring you guys some of the coverage of the mud bog. But that is the exit down there, and coming out of the pit, it's going to be slick coming out of there, so they have all that real estate to stop. But up here is the starting line. So there's the starting line and the pit. And the racers are coming in, so I'm going to take you guys for a little walk down in the pits, show you a little bit up here in the registration booth, and then we're going to get on to some racing action.
And we stood by it, and I mean, we do appreciate from the bottom of our hearts you guys coming out, because I didn't think our company, all of our proceeds go to them. We're trying something a little different this year. It was brought to my attention with the way, give me feedback. I think all of you got my cell number.
Yeah, the 1 year I don't run number one.
Yeah. So, I mean,
Hi guys, it's Marissa here with BTF Racing and my two nominees for the Havens Ice Water Challenge. It's already raining here down at the Monroe Mud Bogs, but they're about to get even more wet. And their nominees are
Joe Asaki from Wicked Fabz. That's it. We're both going with Joe.
Okay. So Joe, if you don't want to get wet,
Not tonight.
well, you either get wet or you have to make a donation to CHOP.
Okay.
You gotta leave
24 hours.
All right.
Alrighty. Thank you guys. Thanks for the Mountaineer Mud Bog. Timmy's
Are
gonna
you
stay
ready?
dry. No.
I feel like you guys gotta
Timmy's-
lean in closer.
Timmy's
Lean
gonna be
in
dry.
closer.
was cold.
Now go jump in the pit and warm up. Go jump in the pit and warm up.
that's a wrap for the racing action on this wet and rainy day up here in Monroe, PA for the Mountaineer Spring Drive. Well, I hope you liked the video. Well, make sure you guys check out all the links in the description below, because I will post their Facebook page in the description below. So go over to their page, give them a big thumbs up and a like and a follow. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.